Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep Renegade key fob battery. First, make sure you have a new CR2032 coin cell battery ready. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver. Find a clean, well-lit area to work, which will make the process much easier. This simple replacement can save you a trip to the dealership and is quick to do at home. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to the casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of which way the positive side is facing, usually marked with a plus sign. Gently pop out the old CR2032 battery. Now, carefully insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. This is crucial for proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, immediately test all the functions of your key fob with your Jeep Renegade to ensure everything is working correctly. Also, check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.